You actually don't know me. It's just a drive, you know what I'm saying? Hey, oh, hey, am I fuck? You caught me off guard. Acting like you know me, dog. Oh, yeah, that's my beat. Telling me how I should do it. Wait, you ain't me. Guess you gon' see, yeah. Young boy out here chasing dreams. Yeah. Everything that good ain't what it seems, yeah. Watch out now, you tryna cramp my style. What you doing, cause you wild. Thinking you know more than half of it. I heard your stuff not.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install a unit from Myfirstwig. It's very natural. It actually looks like a silk press. I'm going to be showing you guys how I install it and also how I remove the wig. To get started, my hair is currently in mini twists. That's how I've been wearing it under my units. I actually put these in the other day, and don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how I've been moisturizing and everything under my units. I'm going to record that tomorrow for you guys. But before installing, I wanted to make sure my edges were sleek, so I just used Eco Styler gel. So again, the unit is from Myfirstwig. This is the packaging that it came in. It also came with wig caps, so I'm going to put one on over my hair. This is a great way to protect your natural hair from the snagging that can occur as a result of the combs. So I'm going to cover my hair fully, and be sure to pin your hair down in the back rather than having it in a ponytail if you want it to be really flat in the back. Now, I didn't decide to do that. I've just been wearing it in a ponytail. So I'm just going to cover my hair. And here's a quick tip for those who may struggle to find wig caps that are their scalp color. You can use a lace tint. This one is by Wig Gurus. I often use it to customize the lace on my wigs, but you can also use it to customize your wig cap. Now let's get into this gorgeous unit. Her name is April, and April has everything already done. There's no work needed. It's already pre-plucked. It has bleach knots, and y'all, the texture is yaki. And look at this transparent lace. It looks so good. It's gonna blend seamlessly and melt really nicely into the skin. And I love that it comes with combs as well as an elastic band, which is great. So if you wanted to wear it without having secured it down, you could absolutely do this. And guys, I like how it's styled so much. This one is layered in the front. It has like a side bang type look. It's also in length 18. This is where it falls on me, and it's a really natural density. So this is the hairline, y'all. Their hairlines always look so great. The only thing is, when you're working with transparent lace, because of how thin it is, you need to actually modify the cap so that it's not so thick in the front, if that makes sense. So where that thick band is in the front, we're just gonna cut that off. I'm gonna do a modified stocking cap or ball cap method. I don't do the full method anymore because it takes too long, but this method is really quick and easy. So I just cut off the front, and then I'm just gonna spray on some bed head on my hairline, pull the stocking cap over that area, blow dry it on the cool setting so that it can dry, and then we're good.
Hey, can you just chill, bro? It's just a draft. Hey, I can't help but this, can't help but move. When I look at you, when I look at you, I can't help but this, can't help but move. When I look at you, when I look at you.
So now that I've modified the stocking cap, I'm going to try the unit on just to see what it looks like. And as you all can see, it looks so much better. You don't see that bulky band in the front. So we fixed that problem. And this is how the unit comes styled. It does come styled with the bangs toward the right side, but I like wearing mine toward the left. So I am going to shift that now. And I was happy to see that it didn't compromise the style, although I switched the part.
The way that you move, made me want to get on my feet, step into the groove. Shawty come closer to me, stick to me like glue. I ain't really grow up dancing, but I might take my chances. Guess I'm gonna take my chances, take them on you.
So right now I'm going to cut off the lace, but before I do that, I do want to flat iron the hair in the back. This is how it looks right out of the packaging. And y'all, again, this is the Yaki texture. Their Yaki texture is so bomb. When I tell y'all, they do such a great job. It literally looks just like our hair when it's been silk pressed, and I love the density of this unit. I usually get my units in density 150 or 180 because I really like volume, but I actually really like this one in 130 because it is Yaki texture. It is going to be a little bit more dense, but it makes it look much more realistic, like it could be your own hair. But I'd like this particular unit only in the Yaki texture. I probably wouldn't necessarily go for it in the silky because I feel like it might look too thin, but that's just my own personal preference. I just prefer Yaki.
Bounce gang.
lady, come and let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like.
Alright, so now that I've tinted the lace and cut the excess lace off in the front, as you can see, it already looks so good and I haven't even secured it down yet. But I'm going to begin installing, and I'm going to do so using the bedhead holding spray. That's been my go-to lately, and you can easily melt the lace with that.
Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, you just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time, I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is everything. Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay, I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't tryna mess this up. No, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, you just need your vacation.
Alright, so at this point, I'm going to begin to add Eco Styler gel to the lace on my edges, because I do have to now blend the lace from the unit with my edges, or my hairline rather. And it does blend very well, but I decided to use Eco Styler in order to merge both, just so that it looks like they're married together, and I feel like it turned out really good. So this unit is really good for us little hairline girls as well, so that's a plus. So I'm just gonna comb it in, make sure it's nice and blended, and then after doing this, I'm gonna put on a satin scarf just to set everything, and then once I remove it, we'll be finished with the install.
You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation.
I almost forgot, I also decided to go in and fix the sideburns. You can leave them long, but cutting them short will make it look like it's actually your hair. So I decided to do that this time, and I'm using the Instant Freeze Mousse by Aussie on my edges in order to secure them down and also to create the little swoop. I see lots of girls do that, and I've never done that before. I don't think I've done it before, but I was like, ooh, I want to try that. So now I'm also going to flatten everything out using my hot comb. This is just a nice little added touch. If y'all don't have a hot comb, get one. Like, if you use a holding spray and then use your hot comb, it just looks so good. Okay, last thing for real, and then we're done, and then I'm going to show you guys how to remove the unit. So I'm going to go into the part just to make everything pop, and I'm using a face powder to do this.
Vacation, yeah. We paint a picture while they be tracing, yeah. Landing in all type of nations. Can't get enough of your love, girl. You been so patient. We started off in the basement. Now we up out of space again. Number one is the place we in. It's a meal at the finish line. All my people gon' race to win. Lord have mercy on Polo, please. He got a case to win. Can't fold, never crease, don't bend. If you do, don't cry, we been now. So let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine, we just fine. Let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like. Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch the sunrise. We just fine. Tell her what she need, just need your vacation.
before we get into how to remove the unit, I do want to show you all a couple of products that are good for your lace units. This is the Total Miracle 7-in-1 by Aussie. It's a really great product. I also like their shampoo, but I didn't have that near me. And then also the Absover Deep Conditioner. That's really good for wigs. This one will help to restore your wigs if it's matted or anything. This one is great. If you use this on a regular basis, your units will last much longer. So now let's get into how to remove the unit. And I did keep it in real time to show you guys how quick and easy this is. I get lots of questions about this, but if you just spray water, you can also use aloe vera juice. If you're somebody who has thinning edges, then that would be a great alternative. Just spray that on the parameter of the lace. So the outside parameter, you want to spray that on there. You can also spray a little bit on your edges and then gradually lift. Do not pull and tug if you don't have enough of the moisture on the hair from the water or the aloe vera juice, but continue this process just all the way around, gradually lifting as it's ready. And as you can see, it's going to lift really fast. So you can use this when you use Got2b glue gel. You could also use it when you use the Got2b glue free spray, and it works really nicely with the bedhead holding spray. Now, if you're using an actual wig glue, then this will not work. You're going to need more than just water. Most wig glues come with a lace adhesive remover. In that case, you need to find the wig glue that matches whatever brand you decide to purchase for your wig glue. But I hope that you guys enjoy seeing how to install this unit as well as how to remove. I'm continuing the process and allowing you all to watch. But I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know I get tons of comments stating that they like to see the install, and that's very helpful, but they also want to know, how in the world do you get it off? So I hope that you found this helpful, and it helps to relieve some sort of intimidation that many of you guys may have when installing units. Using an adhesive like the Got2b glue gel or even the bedhead spray is going to be so much easier to remove. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I also hope that you guys love this unit as much as I do. After you finish installing your units and you remove them, be sure to put them on a mannequin head so that they last longer. I hope that you found this video helpful. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.